Okay guys, here's something that we see quite a bit of in a makery. That plate, see how far back in the wall that outlet is sitting? This screw won't even reach back there, and even if it did, it wouldn't be flush. So the way you deal with that is you back it out until it's fairly loose. It's not going to hurt anything. Keep working with it until you get it just almost flush. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do now, since this is up against here, it's going to hold it firm. When I put the screw in, the screw is now going to pull this flush. And you may have to do it once or twice to adjust it out a little bit, but I think this is going to be fine. There you go. It's nice and firm. That's nice and firm because it's pulled flush against the plate. And that's how you take care of that. Okay, here's an outlet, similar situation to what we just had. The box inside, the work box is kind of loose. So, but we're going to correct it the same way we just did the other one. I've already pulled the outlet out to check the wires just to make sure there's nothing up against this box, because this is one of those old metal boxes. But as you can see, this is also not going to fit. So we're going to loosen this up a little bit, allow it to come out to where we think flush should probably be. You can kind of eyeball it just by looking at the thickness of the plate itself. We're going to back this one out a little bit, and we're going to back this one out a little bit. This one doesn't need to come quite as far. It's already pretty loose. This is the reason this trick works, or the reason for using this little trick. As you can see, these things are supposed to be catching on sheetrock. These little dog ears, they're actually supposed to be catching out here, and that makes it, it forces it to be flush when they do the install. In this case here, you can see where this has been cut out, and since that box is loose, someone has obviously done some sheetrock repair here at one time or another and just cut out for that box. So we're going to go back and do this like we did on the previous one. Pull this up. A little more snug here. Okay, nice and snug. Nice and snug, not going anywhere. You can plug things in and take them out as needed. So anyway, that's just a couple of outlet fixes that you can try to remember and carry that with you. Talk to you later.